have been the subject of litigation in this High Court. Indeed, one of my colleagues indicated judgment on that litigation is scheduled to be delivered tomorrow. That members of Azimio should withhold payment of 50% taxes to the National Exchequer. Course of action with other distinct litigants. Relief Z, that elected officials of a political party, before joining any other political party, must resign from the sponsoring political party. Again, on his own, which can be defined and delimited because it is 6 alphabet from A to Z. He then starts a fairly ingenious numbering, which is AA, Africa. Relief AA is now directed to the 10th and 13th respondent, a member of Jubilee. It is the business of the citizens of this country. Then relief BB, Bachara Bombay, political parties, registrar of political parties is unfit to hold office. A complaint directory involving the petitioners and the registrar of political parties. My client has no business in it. Relief BD, David, now deals with 16th respondent. It is claimed he has violated the rights of Kenyans. Relief EE, England, a complaint against 15th respondent who is to be restrained from demanding taxes from the citizens of this country. My lords, so that I am not accused of not being as clear as they follow tonight, 15th respondent is Kenya Revenue Authority. Complaints between petitioner and Kenya Revenue Authority regarding the Kenyans to pay taxes or not to pay taxes is not a complaint that can be of the same that my client can be involved. Relief FF is a complaint or an order sought directed to the registrar of political parties to commence an inquiry into the registration of the first respondent. First respondent is another political party. Again, my lords, I think I have said enough. And these grounds.
One item, we have filed supplementary submissions for and on behalf of the 3rd and 4th respondents. One thing that my colleague has overlooked or forgotten to mention is the effect of Section 12(2) of the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act. That section gives the holder of the office of the Speaker of the National Assembly immunity from prosecution, both in civil and criminal matters. I urge you to so find and protect him as has been intended by legislation. Strike out the petition and we move on to the next issue. Thank you for giving me that 1 minute. I appreciate it. appreciate.
For the 6th to 9th respondents, my Lord. And my Lord, in highlighting our submissions, allow me to refer you, my Lord, to the documents that we have filed, which are first, my Lord, the amended petition dated the 3rd of November. Sorry, my Lord, the amended preliminary objection, my Lord, I'm sorry, dated the 3rd of November. There is the submissions, my Lord, dated the 5th of November. There is the further submissions dated the 15th of November. And we have the case digest, my Lord, dated the 24th of November. My Lord, we associate fully with the submissions of my learned two seniors who have submitted before you this morning, and wish, my Lord, to add as follows. That, my Lord, there is the pertinent question of the political disputes that have been presented before you in the petition, and so, my Lord, responded to by the respondents. My Lord, in our submissions, we have highlighted the specific political disputes, my Lord, that would have otherwise required that they be referred to the political tribunal, my Lord, under sections 40 and 41 of the Political Parties Act. My Lord, it remains our position that this court was not the first port of call in respect of those political disputes. The second item, my Lord, on sub judice, we have, my Lord, referred to many cases that are pending, including, my Lord, that of the Finance Act 2023 provisions that is set for judgment before the court tomorrow, which then, my Lord, divests of this court the jurisdiction to engage on matters Finance Act and related issues. That applies, my Lord, with equal force to the issues relating to the Jubilee Party and all the contests of the respective factions of who ought to be the leader or not leader of Jubilee Party. My Lord, you are referred to serve, my Lord, in their respective capacities through the Kenya Kwanza coalition. My Lord, the Kenya Kwanza coalition has also been cited as the first respondent in this matter. And they will be available, my Lord, if it was so required, to defend all the decisions, including the decision, my Lord, to designate the 6th to 9th respondents as the leader.